Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to learn the song Tomorrow. I think this is a fun arrangement because it's a lot of different chords that I don't play a lot. You can just strum one time for each chord and just sing with it that way. So it's a good chance to practice some different chords. Some of them sound a lot worse than they are. So you can kind of expand your repertoire with a song that everybody knows and that is pretty easy to play along with just because you're not having to worry about a strumming pattern. So I'll play a little bit for you and then we'll break it down. The sun'll come out tomorrow, bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. When I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I just stick out my chin and grin and say, oh, the sun'll come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow, come what may. Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love ya. Tomorrow, you're always a day away. So to start this song, it really helps to place your fingers and kind of prep for the next chords. So we're going to start with the C5, but prep your fingers by putting your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom string, and then pinky on the 3rd fret, that same string, so it looks like that, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string from the bottom. So that's a C5 chord, but if you get your fingers prepped like that, you can go, the sun'll come out, and then you just lift your pinky finger, and that's your C major 7 number 3 chord, and it's just ready for you. So the sun'll come out, lift your pinky, tomorrow, and then you just lift your middle finger, and that's your A minor 7 number 5. Da 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 da, lift middle finger, that's your bottom, and then C sus4. It looks like a C, but with your, add your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string up. So da 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 da, and then G, da to A minor, da 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 da, F. Just add your pointer on the 1st fret of the 2nd string for the da da dum for an F, and then you repeat that again. So set up with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom, ring finger on the 3rd fret of this string, and then your pinky, da 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 da, that's your C5. Lift pinky for your C major 7 number 3, da da da. Lift your middle finger for A minor 7 number 5, da 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 da. C sus4, so that's pinky, da 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 da. G, da da, A minor, da 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 da. F, add your pointer, dum. And then when I'm stuck with a day, I'm gonna do G sharp, A sharp, D sharp. So G sharp looks like a G, but you just move it up one whole fret. So if you can set up like a G and then just bloop, move it up, and then you're gonna add your pinky on this far string over here. And that's kind of tough. Make sure you kind of have a little bend in your pinky so you're not squishing all the other strings. So it's, I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely. And then you just scoot your whole hand with its fingers just like that up 2 frets. 1, 2, da 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 da. That's your A sharp. So I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely. Scoot up. And then D sharp. I just stick up my, that's pointer here, 1st fret, bottom string, and then 1, 2, 3, all on the 3rd fret. I just stick up my chin and grin, and then you're gonna do C sus2, which I would just set up like with a G and add your pinky here. So here's your G, which is what we're gonna play right after that, and then add your pinky on the 3rd fret of the bottom string, and it's gonna, and say, and then lift your pinky, oh, so say, and then lift your pinky for the G, oh, and then back to the beginning, C5, except we're gonna set up with our middle finger on the 2nd fret, and then our pinky, da 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 da, lift your pinky, da da da, lift your middle finger, da 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 da, C sus4, so da da, G, da da, A minor, da da, F, and then G, same pattern, C5, da da da. Lift your pinky and have your fingers ready. Tomorrow, same thing, lift your middle finger. I love you. And then this time, tomorrow, just a regular F, tomorrow. And then I go G, C5, you're only, G, C5, you're only, and then I put my pointer finger down for that C sus2. So you're only, just add that pointer finger, day away. Hope that helps. Enjoy.